Here you go. You have a good one.
A teenage girl stop acting like an asshole.
Them. What you talking about? Do 2 separate orders if they let me do that. You have cash?
But chill, nigga, you late. Try and use me as the bait. You skip steps. I nearly nailed it in the first take. I gotta do this for the sake of my mama in that dream house sitting up right beside the lake. I can't never.
What's the deal, man? It's your boy Sonic Moto, man. Yes, a Postmates video, man. Hey, I don't even really do Postmates no more. Hey, matter of fact, I actually don't, man. I only do it for y'all, man. So if y'all want me to keep doing these Postmates videos, before we even start the video, man, hey, I'm gonna let y'all know I need 100 likes, man. Every time I get 100 likes, that's when I'm gonna come out with a new Postmates video. I know y'all can do it. So that's what I'm gonna start it out with, man. I'm gonna remind y'all a couple times throughout the vlog too. I need 100 likes. Alright, that motivates me to get a Postmates vlog out. So we pulling up the Krispy Kreme this morning. Let me see what we got going on. They want me to pick up 2 dozen donuts. Okay, lucky I got the Postmates bag with me. I definitely wasn't gonna be able to hold 2 dozen donuts in this thing, man, for sure. Oh, they not open? Well,
They get your pickup.
oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, Postmates?
Oh, Postmates? You gotta order in the drive-thru window.
So I gotta go through on the bike and get it?
Alright.
Can I walk through? Alright, no, that's good. Alright. Oh, this telling me I gotta go through on a bike. That's reckless. Oh, gotta do what I gotta do. Gotta do what I gotta do. They see him on a young bike. And, what? I'm trying to do it for Postmates. I have like.
I mean, I'm gonna get it right here.
What?
I said I'm gonna get it right here.
I know. How much stuff are you trying to get? Cause I'm trying to.
Coconut donut and a banana cream.
Yeah, I gotta see, cause I gotta do 2 separate orders if they let me do that. You have cash?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't know. I walked down here 4 blocks. So,
Okay.
you know, I'll give you $1 for this.
Okay. No, that's fine on that. I just gotta see, cause it might be hard. Hold on. Reckless. And what did you want?
It's the special they have. It's fine. It's a coconut donut and banana cream.
Oh, what?
It's banana cream. You'll see the little sign right there. It's banana cream and a coconut donut.
All right, that's it.
Yeah, and here's your $1.
Oh, that's good. You good. Y'all see why I need 100 likes on this Postmates video? People already got me doing rectified things, man. This is crazy. First delivery of the day and I gotta go through the drive-thru on a bike. So good. And this lady trying to, hold on, coronavirus. You can't get too close.
How can I help you?
Hi, can I have, I guess it's 12 12 donuts.
Okay, what kind?
3 ice cream filled, or 3 chocolate ice cream filled.
Okay.
3 chocolate iced with sprinkles. 3 glazed raspberry filled. And 3 original glazed.
That's all?
And then one more, it says a baker's choice assorted dozen.
Alright, anything else for you?
That's it. Oh, wait. What, is there some special with 2 donuts?
Combo number 1, 2 donuts and a drink for $5.49.
Oh, I don't know what you want, bro. I can't get it for you. That's questionable. I don't even, it's not even up there. I can't get it for you, man. What if I just drove over with this lady's money like, oh, bye-bye. They wouldn't even let me get it.
Oh.
Sorry about that.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Coronavirus. I'm gonna have to tell the next person. Look, hey, as y'all can see the works of this bag, bro. Hold up. I know I keep telling y'all, but look how easy that is. I can fit 2 more Krispy Kreme. Hold on, 3 more Krispy Kreme boxes in there, man. Easy. That's great. Let's see how far I gotta go. It's probably not even that far. Oh, 4.3 miles. It's a cool little delivery. Let's get it. Already got the maps going on in the headset, and I got the watch on, so I don't really have to look at the phone, even though I don't have a RAM mount. For all you that's gonna ask questions, like I said, 100 likes for the next Postmate video. So if y'all like, why aren't he coming out with more Postmates videos? It's because this Postmates video ain't at 100 likes yet. I'm gonna need 100 likes for me to continue. Let's go in and make that.
Stay home, man.
What?
You're not home. Not computer, you're not here. Hold on a second. Wait a minute.
They're the one that gave me the address. Them. What you talking about?
Not computer, it's probably not here.
Let me check the address. No, you're right. It's 51. 51.
Where that at?
I think it's that one.
Oh, hell yeah.
Good luck. Thank you.
Yeah, you put it back there.
It's all good.
All right, man.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, no problem.
Right here, yep. Oh. This way. Hello. I know that's not your motorcycle.
No.
I like it though. You too. Clean, clean. Complete drop off. I gotta really stand in line. They got me standing in line today. It's all good. I'm just chilling. 0.9 miles away, man. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Oh, U-turn. I cannot make a left here. I gotta go right. How's it going? Let me get plain bagel cream cheese and then a grande pink drink.
Grande pink drink?
It's a pink drink,
What's the name?
DJ?
DJ?
Postmates or DJ. Yeah. What's the pink drink? What's in that?
Well, pink drink's got coconut milk and the strawberry, acai drink.
Sounds good. I just put in the receipt. Don't y'all go in and complete that pickup yet. Y'all need to get y'all wait time. Don't complete it yet, man, until y'all walk out and y'all heading on the way. Thank you. Got the drink in there sitting like that. It's not gonna move. I even throw that on top. Let's see if I can throw this on top. Yeah, that's good. Throw this in there like that. Easy. I believe this is the right house. Ooh, and a stop edit. I heard it. Yes. Get these people's drink out nicely. Like it ain't even moved. How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Good, thank you. Here you go. You have a good one.
A teenage girl stop acting like an asshole.
No problem. Have a good one. $195 Postmate. The drink and everything?
Yeah.
The Sprite, right?
Yeah, they're inside.
Good luck. Alright, I need one of these photos to be my thumbnail. Oh, and this car gonna park right here when I'm trying to do my It's all good. It's only 9 a.m. Your boy might make $100 before 12. I'm not gonna do that though. I got work today. I mean, it's only 3 hours, but still, I'm not about to be working that long on Postmates. Places like this, there's a billion McDonald's, so you already know you're not going that far. You know what I'm saying? They said the drinking and everything is in here, so I gotta low-key be careful. There we go. Now you wanna leave right when I'm leaving. I'm pinging. Did they not let me accept that? Oh, they didn't, but I'm not about to get that one. Postmates? How you doing, man? How's it going? Have a good one.
Thank you.
For sure. Y'all, I just had the biggest delay right now. I just ran back from Starbucks and they got a big old line because, I don't know, they trying to let only like 2 people in there at a time. And they got some new lady working the register, bro. Anyways, I dropped my car, I got all the way to the front of the line, and then I didn't have my card. Then I thought I lost it. Bro, if I just feel a whole bunch of liquid coming down my bike, down my back, I know exactly what it is. That was quick, and they gave me a bag. I like that. I don't gotta try to form it my own way. It's cool if the cup holder's in a bag like this. I'm not even tripping. Going to throw that in there. It says leave at the door. Leave the items outside the customer's door and remember to take a photo. No need to interact. Let's get it. And just bend this right here. Like that. Just like that. Yeah. I really could put that strap around the bag, but it's so big. It's low-key in there. Oh, they taking me low-key back home too? Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to take my break now. Thank you, thank you. How's it going? 201 for Postmates?
Take out the camera. You walk up to your left. Will they take the camera?
Alright, thanks. I like taking them out the cup holder. It's much better. That'll do it. For sure. I gotta turn off automatic deliveries too, so they don't keep trying to give me deliveries. All done. Bro, it's easy now too. Dudes don't even gotta wait for the person to answer the door because it's coronavirus. Can't beat it. Leave it at the door, take a picture, be gone.